Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another video that pays you just doing simple thing online, just watching videos, answering survey and doing a little task to earn. So those 10-minute surveys you earn what 0.60 cents and earn 0.50 cents just 16-minute survey. So for each surveys you do here you also earn. So for 18-minute surveys you are earning what 0.32 cents, and that's what 319 points. So and I have 1,000 points in my balance. Can you see my balance? I have 1,000 points. So and it's very easy to earn 1,000 points doing working on this side, because I just let me test this site and it's really paying in PayPal and some other gift cards. So but it's only PayPal that's available for now. This is another survey here that you can also do when you earn what this one. If you click on this survey here, you what install it and reach level 42 within 12 days. You just do what they say you should do and you earn 7,800 points. That 7,800 points is just $7.80. Wow, you're earning $7.80 just doing this one just for 12 days. $7 just playing the game. We are not doing anything, and it's very easy. So there are much as many surveys here you can do. You can also answer surveys, download app, and this one under display they say watch videos. Can you see watch videos? And this one too is watch this hide out TV. They say you should watch videos. So let's pick this one here. When you pick this one, you have to create the account. So can you see they say you should download 1xbet and register and make a deposit, and you would get points. So they will also give you points. So the point is not valuable. So this is another one also here. Can you see install and open reach the high? This one here they say you should what install and open reach the highest of 2,000 meter. They say you should use 2,000 meter, and you also receive that 5,366 points, and that 5,366 points is $5 in this website. So this one is Ayoba app. So when you install and open this app, you also earn 41 points when you install and open this app. We just say that's almost something like 0.40 cents, something like that. They say, oh, this is OP here also. When you install and open and register in this OP, you are receiving 77 points. Wow. So I prefer you should be doing this OP one. For those of you that don't have OP on your phone, can do as much as possible. Can you see as much as possible in this place here? So let's go back. So this is it here. Can you see my balance here? Let's come to this reward side here. So this is the reward place, and the minimum payout in this website is what 2,000 points. Is the minimum payout is 2,000 points, and it's very easy to earn 2,000 points in this website. It's very easy to earn 2,000 points. Can you see my balance is 1,000 points? Okay. Can you see the minimum payout to PayPal is what? PayPal cash is what? $2 to what $100. I can join this website. Can you see I just have 1,000 points? So let me just earn another what 1,000 points to this one. I'll be drawing my money to my PayPal account. So when you just click here, so you pick as much as possible amount you want to withdraw to your PayPal account. Is from $2 upward. That's 2,000 grab points, 3,000, 4,000, and what this 2,000 is $2, 3,000 is $3, 4,000 is $4. So as much as possible coin you have, you also earn on this website. So I'll be dropping my referral link under the comment section, so you use it and you also start earning. So when you use my referral link, you'll be gifted 500 points when you use my referral link. So use my referral link to sign up, so you can earn 500 points instantly when you use my referral link, and you also earn. So that's it all about this website. Please don't forget to subscribe and share these videos for more. Thanks for watching.